city wakes in morning light, fog rolls in, the skyline's bright. Waves whisper tales of yesterday in San Francisco's Golden Bay. Caught between the sea and sky, red steel dreams where seagulls fly. Golden Gate, you stand so tall, I hear your echo through it all. Cable cars and painted hills, hearts that chase what freedom feels. From Mission Lights to Pier 39, every moment's yours and mine. Bayside cafes, morning hues, coffee steam and ocean blues. Street art speaks in colors bold, every wall a tale retold. Across the bridge, the city gleams, a million hearts, a billion dreams. From Oakland skies to Marin shore, I keep coming back for more. My way across your Golden Bay. Twilight falling on your face, neon nights and city grays. Tech lights glow and lovers roam, but the bay will always be home. Alcatraz in silver haze, time stands still in your gaze. Dreamers rise and travelers stay, lost in love by the bay. Take me